Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix PIP or picture-in-picture not working on YouTube. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come into your settings. And from here, you want to come down and press onto General. In here, you want to locate picture-in-picture. You can see that's just here. Give this a press and make sure it's turned on to start PIP automatically. Once that's done, what you can do is come out of your settings and then go ahead and open up YouTube. Next, what you want to do is come down to the bottom right-hand corner and press onto your profile icon. Then what you need to do is come up to the top right-hand corner and press onto this gear icon to come into your settings. From here, go to Video and Preferences and press onto Playback, and you should now see the Show in Video Info Cards option. If you've tried that and that's still not working, what you can do is come back into your settings. And if you go back into General and then press onto iPhone storage, in here what you want to do is locate the YouTube app, give it a press, and then go ahead, offload and delete the app and reinstall YouTube onto your device. And that should fix the PIP not working on YouTube. So that's basically how you can fix PIP or picture-in-picture not working on YouTube. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.